क्या आप न्यूजीलैंड में फार्म वर्कर और लेबर वर्क जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप मेहनती हो और हार्ड वर्क काम करना पसंद करते हो? और क्या आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन कम है? क्या आप बगैर एजेंट के डायरेक्ट कंपनी में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हो? दोस्तों, बहुत से लोग हमसे पूछते हैं कि क्या कोई ऐसा रास्ता है जिसकी मदद से हम घर बैठे ही बगैर फ्रॉड के जॉब हासिल करें? जी हाँ, इन सब सवालात का जवाब यस है। तो दोस्तों, बढ़ते हैं न्यूजीलैंड के इस एपिसोड में, जहाँ बहुत से सीजनेबल जॉब निकली है जो कि खूबसूरत कंट्री न्यूजीलैंड के लिए है और सैलरी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है। लेकिन ये जॉब सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों के लिए है जो मेहनत का काम करना जानते हैं।
New Zealand is a stunning and beautiful country, most people will agree. There's beauty everywhere and mostly from nature. There's an infinity of unbelievable places everywhere you look and, honestly, it's hard not to feel elated.
तो दोस्तों, बढ़ते अपने अगली डिटेल की तरफ, देखते हैं आज कौन कौन सी वैकेंसी जॉब अवेलेबल है आपके लिए।
You can apply online for all job work. Dear friends, these opportunities are under seasonable work permit. Let's start job in the beautiful country New Zealand. First job category is KIWI PICKER. And location will Buke, Rotorua and Bay of Plenty. And salary are hourly, $18.10 to $23.70, approximately 3 lakh to 7 lakh monthly Indian salary. 100 vacancy are available for the KIWI farmhouse. And other qualification will only 10th class. And not require any experience, they will train you. How can you apply? Click on subscribe for next job opportunity and click on below link for application. Need staff for vineyard. Location is Blenheim Marlborough area. Salary will $18.90 per hour and holiday will paid also. Total work vacancy is 75. Qualification as per any diploma and middle 10th class. No experience for that job. How to apply? Click on subscribe for next job and click on below link for apply. Okay, let's check another work details. You can apply for the job post of KIWI fruit pickers. Location Willapotiki, Napier, Hawke's Bay. Salary $18 for house, approximately Indian 2,60,000 monthly. Total position is 55 staff. Qualification and experiences will same previous job. How to apply? Click on subscribes icon and click on below link for application. KIWI fruits picking immediate start work. Location will Buke, Rotorua. Salary paid position which are mentioned, approximately Indian 3 lakh monthly. Total 200 staff are required. Qualification require 10th class and any other diploma. Fresher are also welcome as not require any kind of experience. How to apply? Click on subscribe link for next new job and then click on application link. Next jobs is for experienced person. KIWI fruit pruning and maintenance 20. Location Willapotiki and Gisborne. Total post are 20. Salary paid position $18 per hour, approximately 3 lakh Indian rupee. Qualification will any diploma and 10th middle class. Need experience for that job like 1 year or some information. How to apply for the job? Click on subscribe icon for next new jobs and then click on application link.
वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।